Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make steamed fish with spicy garlic sauce. For the ingredient I have 1 whole fish, some coriander, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 3 chili, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, right now I'm going to start to steam the fish. Right now I'm going to cook the fish for 25 minutes. Okay, and right now I'm going to make the sauce. Adding sugar inside the fish sauce. And then the garlic. And add lemon inside. Okay, and right now I'm going to cut the chili inside also. And then I'm going to cut the coriander inside also. Okay, and then just add the coriander inside the sauce. Okay, right now the steamed fish is ready. So right now I'm going to add the sauce inside. Okay, right now I'm going to take the fish out. Okay, right now the steamed fish is ready. And for the taste, it tastes sour, spicy, and a little bit salty. Okay, right now I'm going to taste the fish. It tastes so good. For the steamed fish, we can serve with the steamed rice. Okay everyone, thank you for watching my recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye, thank you.